Now I'm start
Yes, sir.
recording. So okay. So we have to install Jenkins, and we downloaded Jenkins. Okay, we downloaded already Jenkins here in Jenkins.io. So go to that one /download. So you have to download this file here in this one. So Jenkins.download LTS model only. So LTS and where file we are downloading generic Java package. Where file we are downloading. Okay, so we are downloading um, .var file only we are downloading. Okay, so and we have to download and install JDK. So which one? JDK 8 or JDK 11? We downloaded JDK 11 from the Oracle website directly. So now we have to install first Java JDK. We have to install. Then after installation, we have to put a environmental. Okay, so environmental variables. So we'll see that one directly. So why we should type everything. So already I copied that JDK what after I download into the E drive. Magnifier E drive. Okay, this is the magnifier. So this is a Java x64 bin. So I didn't see extensions. Select this one. So you will see .exe. First install a Java. I need a browser. I have a Edge browser is there. So click on yes. Edge browser is there, but we like Google Chrome generally. So you can install a Google Chrome. So why I'm installing in a virtual machine means usually we have a problem with physical machine. If in case while installing Jenkins in your physical machine, if it is failed or it face any some issues, or maybe we are not using Jenkins for a longer period of time, right? So daily if you are working with it, no problem. Okay, so of course I will tell you how to delete it also. Okay, there is no uninstallation button, so only we have to delete Jenkins folder. So how to do it? Java installation is okay in a physical or any machine, no problem. So what happened here? So next, nothing to do with it. So by default, it is going to because of 64 C program files Java JDK 11. So you can use same link or you can change it if you want it. You need a 420 MB disk space is required to download. So if you install a JDK, so you will get a JDK plus JRE. JRE contains JVM. Otherwise, you can install only JRE, but 8 or 11 only. So it is installing. So meanwhile, what I do, so here I have a Google Chrome setup is already there. So already I downloaded this one. I'm copying it, paste it, try to paste from here there to here. Yeah, it is installation completed. Close. So is it pasted or not? Otherwise, you can drag and drop Google Chrome setup. So if you see this plus mark, it means you can able to release the mouse, like drag and drop like this. Then it copy here. Okay. So of course, so we'll set up that one. So later, first we install a Java. Now I'm going to my CMD. Java version. It is showing our current version. It means it is a good. Okay, so what is the server environment? It is showing here. Okay, but it is showing our Java version what I downloaded and installed, and it is showing some where it is when it is packaged. Now it is good, so it should be shows Java and version. Otherwise, set up the environmental variables. Just type in environmental variables. So like this, edit environmental variables. Just click it. It opens directly. Otherwise, you can go to system properties, advanced environmental variables, environment variables. Okay. Here, you didn't see any Java home here, so there is a two places we have to tell where is the Java is located. What is environmental variables? You have to tell where is your application. Normally, Windows based applications will automatically it will add it. We can open by shortcut, but command basis we have to tell in a where it is located. New Java underscore home, and we have to tell where is the Java is stored. Okay, so go to the C drive, go to C drive, program files. So while we are installing, we seen this one, guys. When you do anything, when you do like a installation or anything, please check it where it is located like that. Okay, so all the steps do one by one. Don't do blindly next install. Don't do like that. Okay, so this is the path where my Java is installed. Okay, next, that is name of this home directory is Java underscore home. Next, paths. So here in the path we have to tell in a two ways. One is like a percentage Java. This is should be in cap letters, and percentage slash bin. This is small letters slash bin. Okay, like this you can give. Otherwise you can give full path also. So I want to give full path, so it won't get confused by full path. Like this. This is the bin folder. In this bin only you have a java.exe files are there. So java.exe, javac.exe. Okay, like this. So where executable files are there. What is bin file? Bin folder. Have you seen bin folder earlier? Bin slash bin. Okay, like this also you can give. Where you seen bin earlier? Okay, okay. Slash bin. No one knows. In Linux, very good. So bin folder contains your commands. Bin as bin contains your command. Bin contains normal any user executable commands. As bin contains what has been contains.
Shells.
Has been contains root based command, means only administrator can able to run those commands. That is in a has been. Java, Maven, all these things are actually built for a Linux based environment. Okay, so later it is the build for a Windows environment, so that's why still the bin folder is there. Okay, so environmental setup is done. Now we have to install a Jenkins. Guys, remember Jenkins. Jenkins, working with Jenkins, one is like a CLI based, another one is we can use majorly we are using GUI based. GUI based means web browser. Okay, we are using web browser. If you are using a web browser with a Jetty as a web server internally, okay, so if we are using a port number is 8080. It is a adaptable port number, not a dedicated port number. Certain services use 8080, 8090, or like that. So different web server wise or application wise, so they are using 8080 as a port number. But 8080 port number can also be used by maybe Apache HTTP D or a Tomcat servers. Like different servers are there. If in case if you want to install those kind of stuff in your physical machine, sorry, in your machine, okay, whether virtual or physical, where you are doing, so they are taken over. So what I'm doing is, instead of 8080, I want to use the port number is 9090. So like your IP address and port numbers, if two process or a two applications or services are using same port number, conflict will occur. So to avoid the conflict, I try to use 9090 port number. Just you can use anything which is not used, which is not taken by others. Okay, so this is 9090 port number. So I will give you a command first of all, how to install. So E drive Jenkins folder. So this is a Jenkins, right? So I'm going to CMD, type CMD, um, right click, run as a administrator. So if you run as a administrator, yes, then it will show administrator command prompt. Okay. If you feel it is a small lines, then you can use properties, font, change the font number little bit, at least 20 or 24. 24 is very big one. So we'll see. Yeah, see, this is a good looking. Now, where is my application? E drive, E colon slash cd, Jenkins folder. Now Java hyphen jar. It is a jar file, right? Where are jar file? So we have to tell jar file extract in the Java. Okay, and Jenkins. Okay, so that one. And here I have to tell port number, right? Which port number? HTTP port. The P is capital. Okay, equal to 9090. Okay, hyphen hyphen. HTTP is a small. Port is P is a capital. I'm putting enter, guys. So here it is. If you see webroot user.home.jenkins, it will do. So meanwhile, I will show you where it is actually storing. So it is in a C drive. Users. My username is DevOps admin. Under this one, you can see .jenkins folder. .jenkins folder. This location is very important. One is like where is your Jenkins installation stores. It won't store in your program files. It will store in there, and also your password file. Okay, and as well as so I will go to the maximum max screen. So yeah, it will ask for a firewall thing. Okay, because it's a Java. Okay, so select the both the things, allow access, or just allow access also, no problem. Take one little bit time. Okay, so yeah, now can you see here is a initial setup is required. This is the initial password. This password is very important password. You can copy this password, or you can see the password from here also. Okay, and I copied that password, and I'm going to E drive, or maybe you can store in your desktop also. So I'm going to Jenkins initial something pass. Just this password is important for every installation, a unique password is there. Okay. If you want that password, instead of, if you are missing that place, or maybe you are unable to copy from there, no problem. You can go to this folder, Jenkins folder, secrets, initial password. So you can see this one. Right click, open with a notepad. Open with, automatically it will generate a notepad, like notepad open. So this is the password. Okay, this is the password. You can copy, and this one. So either you can copy from there, or you can copy from here. And just here it will show Jenkins is full up and running. Okay, when it is showing Jenkins is full and up and running, it means your Jenkins is started, but it is not at the next steps. We have to do it by web browser only. And never close this window. Do not close this window. Okay, don't close this window. This window should be always open. You can minimize it, but you cannot, don't close it. If you close, Jenkins will stop automatically. Next, I need a web browser. I can use Edge, but still I like to use Google Chrome only, so I'm installing Google Chrome. Yeah, we have to wait little bit to start the yeah, yes. um, Once we set up, you can practice now, later, and any time. Okay, no, don't do parallelly, but evening sit and try it. If any problem, please put a picture in group. I will try. Okay, tomorrow also there, tomorrow also I will continue. So wow, here it is raining now, started. Yeah, this is a initial password, so make sure that save it. If in case Jenkins installation failure, or maybe you want to do other things, like you want to remove the Jenkins, very simple. Go to that .jenkins folder, delete from there. So go to the users, like this, select this one and delete it. If in case Jenkins installation failure, or maybe you don't want Jenkins, like if you install in your physical machine, for example, and you don't require now, so you practice it, completed, now you don't require, then you can delete it, .jenkins folder. But if you delete, all the projects, everything will be deleted. My suggestion is keep practicing daily, or maybe at least for a 3-4 days after your interview, everything completed. Keep practicing, because DevOps is a one of the major demand in a public, in an interview. So many things. My Google Chrome is open, full screen. I don't require welcome. So here it is. I have to put web link, http colon slash slash localhost. What is localhost? My PC only. Localhost means my PC only. 9090 port number, because I install Jenkins with a 9090 port number on. Guys, for a Jenkins, you need a lot of patience. A lot of patience is required, because it works and very slowly. Meanwhile, I am going to close other web related means, like these windows are not required now. This is also not required now for me. So this is required. This is, we can minimize. This is also not required now. WhatsApp, we can able to close it. This is required. We are recording, right? So that is required. WhatsApp is not required. Then you can close it currently, because I want to reduce the use of yeah. So next part we need a more internet, more concentration internet, more the bandwidth is we required. So that's why. Okay, guys. So this is the location of initial password. You can open directly like this, copy this one and paste into here, and it will ask notepad open. So same password. Already I copied this password and paste into my notepad. So like that you can do it. If you don't do it there, but you can do it like this and read whatever it is showing. It is read it and save this password in a some place, because if in case you future it is very helpful if you are forget your main admin password. Continue. Click on continue. We don't trust Jenkins. Okay, here it is. Customize Jenkins. So here first it is asking for a installation of plugins. Jenkins installation is completed, guys. But now we are installing plugins. This is suggested plugins. You, for example, you are a you don't require more plugins and you require a dedicated suggested plugins only. You can go for it. Less bandwidth or a suggested plugins only. You want to choose it, you can choose it. Or you want to modify. You don't you know very well about plugins, what plugins you want it or no plugins you want it. You can click on this one, selected plugins. Select plugins to install this one, second one. First one or second one, both are good, but I'm going to second one only. Now you can see it is showing a plugins. Totally 57 plugins are there. Earlier it is 52, now it is 57. 19 are a suggested plugins. You can see folder. Yeah, okay, like this. If you click none, means nothing will be installed. Automatically you can set up. Later you can add one by one, or you can go for a suggested. It means you can add a suggested now, and later you can add as per your requirement. For example, I need a dashboard view, and I need a stage view, I need a gate, I need a uh, few things like a pipelining is required for me. Okay, maybe GitHub is required. GitHub is not showing here. Okay, GitHub is not selected. Marvin is required, like that. Pipelining is required, like that. I need a few plugins, so I can select that one and I can install it. Or I don't mind about whatever it is. No time to discuss each plugin. Just select all, and go to last. Unselect the last one only. Unselect the last one. Why unselect the last one? It is Chinese. We don't need a Chinese. We don't like Chinese. We use Chinese, but we don't like Chinese. Okay. This is the Active Directory plugins, role-based authorization strategy, LDAP, PAM authentication, matrix authentication, and there is a one thing is there that is we don't require. Yeah. See page pipeline stage view. So out of 57, 56 I selected, and no guarantee it is installed correctly or not. It will take lot of time. So I click on install. I'm trying to install all plugins. Now it is started. If it is very slow, or maybe you can see here it is going on, right? So just click on the your command window, press enter, and just once only, and minimize it. Okay, don't click anything. It will push, or maybe sometimes it will stuck in some place. First it will try to resolve the dependencies. So double star means dependencies, and one by one it will install. Okay. Okay, guys. Let it install. It will take lot of time. Actually, any other doubts like Git Docker or anything, please tell me. One second. How to close it. Full raining here. Pune. Okay, so it will take time to installation, and if you want, you can download, and I will show you Git. Meanwhile, Git installation. I have to download Git, right? So I'm going to actually I downloaded Git. I think Git how to download. Very simple. Git download. Downloads Git. Already I downloaded. So again I'm downloading. Windows. Git for Windows. Like you can select this one or this one. No problem. I'm selecting this one. It is downloading into my downloads only. So download. Actually, when Jenkins is installing, do not use any web browsing, video chatting kind of stuff, because the internet, we are not having a 100 Mbps to 100 Mbps internet here. Very less speed only. So it slow down the plugins. If you have a more RAM capacity, better to take more big RAM. So these plugins also will very easily install. My suggestion is 6 GB. 4 GB is also not enough. Yeah, mine is downloaded. So everything, Jenkins, all related, the plugins and everything stores here only. Error occurred in starting only. Retry. It happens, so don't worry. Already told, you need a lot of patience. Where is the gate? Drag and drop. Now it is going on. Maybe it is good. Meanwhile, I'm installing Git. Actually, to install these plugins, applications like Ant, Gradle, Maven, Git, there is a one package manager is there, that is actually very beautiful, very lightweight, very easy, and no need to worry about mm, environmental variables also. It add environmental variable automatically. That is called a chocolatey. Chocolatey. Yes. I'm installing Git. Program files Git. Okay, no problem. Next. Additional icons. If you want anything like true type, check daily Git for a Windows update. If you want to add those things, you can add it. Otherwise, you can leave it. Git, don't no need to worry about more thing in a Git. What is this one? What is that one? Just read it first of all. That's it. Every option, read it. You want to use Vim, or you want to use Notepad, you want to use Atom or VS Codium or like that. So like I want to use Notepad for a Git default editor, because I'm trying to use Git in a different manner. You can choose let Git decide or override a default branch with a new repositories like that. So I use a Git decide. Basically, it is a master branch only. Um, so command line also it will work. Means CMD also you can use it. This is only bash we can use it. This is command line. OpenSSL or a native secure library. Anything you can select it, no problem. OpenSSL is also okay, or maybe you can use Windows secure one. It purely depends upon you. Or I will use first one. Windows style. Check out Windows style. Windows style is there. So first one, no problem. Um, use mini TTY or you can use mm, default console type like this .exe type. You can use anything, no problem. Okay, you can still use mini TTY, no problem. So I use a default something new. Okay, no problem. So I will go for next. Okay, this is a credential manager. If you are using a Azure DevOps and GitHub .NET requirement, something is showing here. It is work for any platform. Okay, you want to enable symbolic link, you can use it. Otherwise, you can leave it. You can select it. If no select also, no problem. But read it. Everything what you are using, it is asking sudo consoles. No, I don't use it. It is showing like a still there are having some bugs inside. Okay, but don't install Docker while you are installing this one. Is it going on? It is going on. Good. That is at present. Yeah. Let it go on. So don't close this one. Just minimize. Keep it aside. Let Git also install. So we have to tell where the Git is installed. That is called environmental variables. Again, for Jenkins also we have to tell where the Git is installed. Second one is we need a Maven for Maven projects. I don't. I never work with the Ant. Okay, so then you can use Ant. Based on the time, guys, I will try to show you if possible how to install Eclipse. You can watch a video how to install a Eclipse, how to download and install a Eclipse is also there. NetBeans also there. Java installation is also there. Um, check it. You know where to find those things. Um, if possible, I will try Eclipse. Then I will show you how to add Git to Eclipse. Git and Eclipse. Then so after the class, I will try how to integrate with VS Code and Eclipse. Sorry, Git and Eclipse. Sorry, no, Git and VS Code. So just basically for Python. Um, let it go on. Any doubts? Please tell me directly or in a chat box. Also, no problem. Any practical doubts, installation doubts, theoretical doubts? Hmm? Now someone put a thing, very good. Okay, not yet. Then I will ask doubts. Okay, so but recent I've seen interviews. They are not much more involving in the questions in the Jenkins and all. But previously, some of our students got a questions in there. Okay, good. Okay, so while you are asking the questions, no need to be very intelligent question. Any question, even if you feel that is a bakwas question, means a silly question also, please no bother. So meanwhile, I will type port number. I'm using here 1990 port number. So what are the command I use? Java hyphen jar. So the package name Jenkins dot var dot jar hyphen hyphen http port equal to 1990 port number. Okay. So then after then I open in a browser. So in a web browser HTTP. So why not HTTPS? It means we are not at done HTTPS kind of stuff here. If you want HTTPS type also, we can able to do it. Never done that one. Local host. What is the meaning of local host? Now I got a question, right? What is the meaning of local host? Why I put a local host instead of local host? What can I put it? That's the question. Why I use local host? Yeah, very slow. 4 GB RAM. Actually, we don't have a time. That's why I'm doing parallelly. First, I will install one by one only. So I don't install parallel. What is the meaning of local host? Local host. Anyone? Oh, local server. Yeah, what is meaning local? Pakka local. Why I put a local host?
Sir, it is our computer system. That's why.
Yes, that's correct one. That is itself means my system only. So I no need to specify my IP address or a actual host name. Not required. Local host means the process running inside my PC only. This is installation means like Jenkins is going on in my PC only, and I am open this browser in my PC only. That's why I use a local host. If I use from the different PC, this is a server is running. The application is nothing but a server application. If I am running from my different PC, if I running with from different PC, then I have to give this PC IP address or a host name. PC's host name or a IP address. Very good. That is, we are running in a our PC only. Good, good, good. What is the IP address of localhost? Localhost or loopback address.
127.
120
7.
remaining. Very good. So this is the IP address. That's why you don't assign this IP address to anybody. If you give localhost or 127.0.0.1 means it's the same PC. We are running in the same PC only. Good. So after I given this one, what I done? It is asking initial password, right? So I given a initial password where it is actually stored C slash users slash my username. So my username is DevOps admin slash user slash admin slash dot Jenkins secret initial password folder. Initial password file open with a notepad and copy and paste there where it is asking here. Next, install plugins. So let it install because so many plugins it will take time. If we are lucky, if you are very lucky, it will finish successful. If you are less lucky, then it will finish off. Off is danger always. Okay, guys. If in case if I failed here, if in case if I fail to install, I will show you how to install it again, and as well as directly I will show you environment. Okay, so once we actually finish, then it finally it is a initial uh, first it will ask for a create a admin, then we can do it. Okay, so meanwhile Marvin, no, so it is internet problem. Internet is since morning, power cut and all now raining. I don't trust anything now. So, yeah. At least okay. Meanwhile, I will show you Git. Are you practice Git yesterday, guys? Sir told already Git, but do you practice or not?
No, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
very
sir.
good then. Then I will ask comments. Git is an application, GitHub, where you store your centralized repositories. It's a GitHub where we store your files, your repositories centrally. So that location is GitHub. Generally, we are using GitHub. In industry, maybe they are using the GitHub for anybody. Forget to ask question. Git question. Who you? Who is the background of this Git? Who invented Git?
Linux storage.
Linus Torvald. Good. Linus Torvald. Another one for Linus Torvald. Your Linux kernel. 4 GB virtual machine is this much low. And parallelly I'm take time. Why it is not moving? Oh, okay, it is got some error. See, there is some timed out net effect, internet effect. Another one I forget to do on this one. Actually, I didn't disable my Windows update. Now I can't do it. I think it is update is going on in background. That's why system is slow. What we can able to do? So I'll do one. So when you see there is a certain plugins, and that too mainly what plugins you required, that is not installed, and either you can do retry. Retry will take time. You can continue also. Okay, my suggestion is retry, or still if retry also not working. Okay, it is not installing plugins as required. Then what to do? Go to see users. Your username dot Jenkins folder is there now. You can see everything stores here only. What to do? You have to delete it and start from starting. Okay, after retry also not working, then delete it and you have to install it from starting. Otherwise, you can continue. Currently, I'm continuing, guys. Actually, I don't do continue. I'm continue. Okay. Better retry. Okay. It will asking for creating a first admin. Otherwise, skip continue as a admin also there. But I'm going to create an admin. I create a my admin name is jadmin1. You have to give password. I'm giving password admin at the rate 123 because I don't want to forget what password I given, and full name jadmin. I put a name is full name is Vedic. So I given some name admin one. Okay, so like that any name you can give jadmin one at the rate vedic.com. Some name, yeah, it is won't verify your email ID. Okay, save and continue. Just I created a user because I don't want to wait for a time to all these things. Yeah, this is the port number. This is the link to open. Okay, save and finish. So first of all, few things I will show you where we can see those things. Okay, compulsory. Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins. Someone is disconnected and connected. No problem. No questions. 2 members are gone, I think. Okay. Now Jenkins is came back. Here is a one alert, and this is a notification is also there. We'll see. This is a red color means compulsory warning. Building on controller node, a security issue, a distribution document, get an agent, get set up a cloud, not required, and go to the this one. There is a these plugins are not installed, right? So these plugins are not installed. So we'll check that one. Okay. So we'll see that one. So this is my screen currently. It happens normally. So this is your the running window. So make sure that 72 plugins, 89 minutes it take time. So you need a I think okay, no, no, no. Go to dashboard, guys. New item here, one by one. I will tell options in a Jenkins. New item means if you want to create a project, that is called new item. Second, people means you want to manage the users, like you want to add a users, manage the users, that is people. Build history, what are the builds you done earlier, that is called a build history. um, my view, new view means you can create your own view, like what is progress is going on, what are the builds are completed, like separate way views you can able to create it. And important, first important one is manage Jenkins. 2 GB RAM is enough. Actually, for Jenkins, 2 GB RAM is enough because Windows 10 we are using 2 GB. That 2 GB is enough. But you need a lot of patience, time, internet speed is important. By this timing only, I am getting from last 1 year. I say like, you can manage Jenkins. It is showing plugins, so no problem. Scroll down. Lot of plugins are not installed. No problem. So you can see here important configuring system, global tool configuration, manage plugins, okay, manage node and cloud, like if you want to connect with the cloud, install as a Windows services means when you start your PC, automatically Jenkins will start. Configuration as a code, manage users, like if you want to add a users and all, credential, global security, credential provider, like you can link your user accounts to Active Directory or LDAP or any other things. System information, health system, log management, and load statistics about Jenkins. If you want to manage Jenkins with CLI, you want to shut down script console and reload configuration from disk. These are our options. So you can read one by one after you set up. So then you will understand. So here, important configuration system, global configuration tool, manage plugins. One, two, three. These three are important. And you want to use more users, managing users. This is important. I'm going to plugins. Okay, so there is a update is available for a particular plugin. If you want to update it, you can update it now and go to available plugins, install plugins, and advance. So advance means if you have any internal server, then you can do it. So these are plugins. Some plugins be required. Compulsory Git plugin is required, which is not installed. Okay, Git client is not required, but I installing Git client also. I don't know what is Jackson and R. Git server we don't have. Pipeline. Okay, I put all like pipelines. I need a pipeline and pipeline stage view only. I need a pipeline stage view only. I didn't require all these extensions and all. Currently not required. Okay, so I need a pipeline and pipeline stage view compulsory required. GitHub is required because we are connecting to the GitHub. If you want GitHub API connection, workspace cleanup, like you want to clean up the workspace. I'm not using any Groovy plugins. JavaScript I'm not using. Docker, Maven, Docker pipeline. So Docker comes. Okay, Docker related plugins. Subversion, Maven is required. Maven I put it. Variant, JSON. This much knowledge we don't have. Uh, this is another plugin, MySQL. Git bucket, like a GitHub type. Bitbucket, sorry, Bitbucket. Blue Ocean, nothing is not required. So now install without restart, like just click on it, or download now, install after that one. Install. Okay. So like that, best way is know knowing what plugins you require, and better to install these plugins after that one. So already this failure is there. Success plugins, failure plugins. Okay, and these are installation plugins. Okay, after this one you have to restart the machine. So better to restart the machine. Okay, restart Jenkins when installation is completed and no jobs are running. Okay, so these plugins are missing, we are doing now. And parallelly, guys, I'm going to download Maven. So I'm showing all the setup. Git I showed. Now Jenkins is going on. Now I'm going to download Maven. Okay, like this. Maven downloads. Okay, here always download zip only. Zip binary or a source like bin zip bin binary files you have to download like this one. This is for Linux and this is Windows. Source code it is it's a zip. mm, Download this one. It is a very small file, less than 10 MB. Okay, so let it go and it will take time. These plugins. um, it is, but I need this thing and Git Maven pipeline. These are important. Yeah, this is like that one only. After installation of Jenkins, better to restart your PC also. Currently, I'm not doing that one. I'll give some time after that one. I will do it. Then we'll troubleshoot the plugins. Let it go on. Let it go on. Don't force. So it will work only if I close everything. This is downloaded, right? So I'm closing that one. Guys, tomorrow 2:30. First, I will show you Jenkins how to do with the Jenkins. No, 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 no. Yeah, all the Jenkins features and all. Okay, today I will complete this installation of this thing. Okay, and manually how to do it, and with Jenkins how to do it. So that difference I will show you. I will store. Okay, this one. No, no. This is a zip file, right? I have to extract. extract all. Mm, no, I'm putting in a directly C drive and C drive. Maven. Maven. That's it. Extract. Yeah, because there is a two reasons it is very slow. One is the background updates. Second one is internet speed. So I didn't check my I checked my internet speed morning. It is okay. Background updates are there. If you see here, it is. We have to stop updates immediately once we are doing this. Not showing here. I forward already Jenkins how to installation. That is okay. Let it install these plugins and the system become very slow. Okay, so another one is here. Go to manage plugins. Sorry, not only managing plugins. Global tool configuration is also there. Go to global tool configuration. These settings, update and security. Happens. So don't worry. These things will happen. Yeah, it is loading here. Global tool configuration. Here you have to tell where is your Maven. You have to tell where is your Maven, or you can install the Maven where it is located. Yeah, here it is located. See, okay. Where is this JDK is available? Which JDK you are using? If you are using Gradle, where is your Gradle application? Like this, okay. You have to tell. For example, I want to add a JDK. Already installed JDK, right? So add JDK. So you want to install manually, like you can like automatically. You can select which JDK you want it. You can select it. Agree. Then something like add installer like that you can able to do it. Like save automatically it will add it. Now I don't want to do it. Here I want to tell what it is. So this is a Java home is there, right? Do you remember Java where it is Java is stored? Program files, Java, like this. This is a home directory. Name of Java is like we can put a Java or JDK 11. I'm using a JDK, so 11. Small letters, cap letters, anything, no problem. I'm using JDK 11. That's it. Just add installer, tell it where it is, where in your system where it is located. Next, Maven. I want to add a Maven also. Okay, I extracted Maven in C drive. In a Maven folder, separate folder I put it. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, here it is a bin. I'm giving direct bin folder. So we'll see add Maven. This is automatic installation. I don't require Maven home directory. It means like this. name is M3. Okay, I given M3 means Maven 3. Okay, earlier Maven 2 is there, now it is M3. 3.8.1. This is the Maven home. Okay, so like that you can save. And Maven no need to install, it is already installed. Only thing is you have to um, environmental variables wise you have to do it. That's it. What happened? Nothing is displaying here. Why? So where is my CMD? So what is the Maven command? MVN. Just type MVN or MVN version, not recognizing this one. So it is not recognizing MVN command, Maven command not recognizing. Okay, so what I am going to do is, sorry, this is not this one. So go to uh, environmental variables. So here I'm adding Maven home or M3 underscore home or M3, like that you can put it. Okay, Maven underscore home or M3, like that you can able to put it. Location, okay, like this you can give or M3 also you can give by where M3 or M3 underscore home. Okay, different ways it is there, but in a path I'm giving complete path, so with the bin folder. So location of your application I given. mm, okay, now I type MVN. Maybe I have to give small letters or cap letters. It's not throwing error immediately, it is waiting to throw error. It will take time. I'm a multiplexer, means yeah, something it is showing, right? So that's a very good one. MVN version. Hyphen version or version, I forget. Yeah, something it is just version. Yeah, now it is showing what is your version. Maven version 3.8.1 I downloaded. Java version is 11.0.1. So this is why we are using environmental variables. So later Maven commands we'll see that one. So and also I specified that is system purpose. This is Jenkins purpose. I use M3 as a name, and here I given. Okay, and I don't have Gradle MS build. I don't have JDK. This is not required. So this is we are not into that part. Git is missing here. So we'll see that one. Git will come later. Apply save is okay, or apply save. Okay, so this is part completed. Okay, global again we'll come to that one. So next is configure system. Here I configured JDK Maven. That's it. Git is not done. So we'll see the Git and once we done with plugins. Okay, when you see on the screen like this, it means mostly it is an error. So find out why it is happen. Okay, you can read why it is happen also. Exception unable to remove directory plugins git with the content, something it is showing. Okay, so this is my home directory where it is located. If you want to locate in different location also you can change it. This is how to access like a URL for your Jenkins. Other things like a folder, timestamper, fingerprint, build, repo. So this is where your path something is there, repo, build time, email notification. So if you have a SMTP server, you can tell it here. Okay, but in all these things, no need to change anything. If you want, you can just go through it. So compulsory, you should go that. Okay. Next is the dashboard. Okay, nothing is running here, guys. So I will show you a let it the plugins are running. So we are not doing much with that plugins here. I'm going to create a folder here. So folder name is my projects. Okay, folder name is my projects. Okay, it's like all are caplets. So here, um, uh, guys, everyone is there, right? So first, I will tell you only very basic one. So tomorrow I will tell you all other things. Okay, this is my projects folder. So what I'm doing is I'm going to a CMD. Okay, so here E drive CD my projects. So I am in the directory. So look at carefully CD my projects. Here what I'm going to do is emd. I'm going to create a directory here. Okay, so emd directory name is data1. I created a directory. You can see, look at the background also, what is going on. Okay, what it is. Okay, next I'm going to simple commands like date slash t means date is displaying. Now I put a date slash t um, greater f1 dot txt file. See, file is created. Type type f1 dot txt means that is a file content. I want to copy this file. Okay, otherwise I will put a echo hello Jenkins double greater f1.txt. Now again the content is displaying. Now I'm going to copy this f1.txt to data1 directory. File is copied. Dir data1 directory. So this entire thing I done manually. Guys, remember the commands? Remember all the commands. Okay? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes, sir. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these things. Okay, I deleted it. I do same thing manually. Okay, what are I done here? I done manually. Now I will do by automatically. So new item, first project, demo project one or demo one, whatever it is. Okay, project name is demo one and freestyle project. Select freestyle project. Okay, it should be show other things also, Maven project and all, because Maven is not yet installed completely, so it is not showing that, and it is showing pipeline. But freestyle project don't have any conditions. Job already exists. Very good, because I press two times, right? It will take time. So this is my demo project. It is not run anything. Last failure duration build on, nothing is showing. So where I have to go, like this only, demo one I created, but I press two times though, then it is showing error, but it's not actually error. Okay, so it's a project one. Workspace means the location where it will build. Go to configure, So here understand the life cycles it will come up. So first one is general description or other information. If you want it, add it. You can add it. Description, Windows commands. If you don't want also no problem. Anything you can give it here. So you have to read it what it is. If you know, good. So like next one is source code management. Where is your source code? If you have a source code someplace like your script or application, something your code location, why git is not showing? Git is the plugin gitin is not added, that's why it is not showing. Next is build triggers. So what triggers your build? So you can tell, so if this condition is satisfied, trigger the build environment where you want to build or a stamps console with ant or a Marvin, like that you can see. This is a build. So we are doing only build part only, not post build also. But I will show you post build like this. So like this, when after building, do you want to send an email notification? You want to publish a Java documents, build other projects like that. It will be there. So many options are there. Depends upon your project. Now build, add build setup. I want to use execute Windows batch commands. Execute Windows batch commands. You can use execute shell if it is a Linux. For Marvin, and Gradle, like that. Execute Windows commands only. I'm doing Windows commands only. The first command is like I want to do it in E drive. So E drive I have to tell, right? So what is the first one? E colon cd slash. It means if in case E drive is location is different, then it can difficult. So cd slash and cd my project. So I want to do everything inside that one only. Then now tell me the commands. Md data one.
Data one.
Next date slash t.
Date.
F1 dot txt echo
Echo.
hello Jenkins double F1 dot txt. Very good. Um, Next, what I done? So I see the
Copy.
output, right? Type f1 dot txt, and then I copy this file f1 dot txt to data1 directory. Then I check whether it is copied or not. So what I done in a CMD, same thing I done. So here one more type is there. So no difference. So you don't require Jenkins to do this job. Okay, but to understand how to automate it. So once you write a script, you can run same script multiple times. But here, not like this, but maybe different scripts you can write it. So that's it. Just save it and wait. Because if you click on two times, what happen? It throw an error. So Jenkins is a very proudish application. Okay, you can click save or apply anything. Just wait, let it go on. So it is going on. Okay, just we are saving our configuration. The project configuration we are saving it. Okay, so once we I completed I will show this one today up to now. So tomorrow we'll see once I showed how to add a plugins, right? So I will check that one plugins again. Otherwise I will show you my previous environment that is working, everything is working there. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you git, how to upload to remote, and one is how to upload to remote. Second one is how to take it from GitHub to Jenkins and do it. Next, Marvin project, guys. If you like, you can, if you want, you can try Eclipse installation. Eclipse is a better one because you can create a Java and Java Marvin Java also. You can both. You can able to it Eclipse. Okay, yeah, it's rotating. It's not only internet and thing. The background. Okay, so now it completed. You have to click build now. You have to click build now. So I'm going to build. I clicked on it. Yeah, I didn't click properly. So yeah, build now. So now once you click on build now, it will show something here. A new edition it is. That's why it is showing like that. My old editions are better. So click here, or you can click on this one. Go to console output. Build is successful. It is showing, that's why it is a green color. See what are we commands we given. E colon we given, right? Then cd slash. So understand why I given cd slash. When I given e colon, it went to Jenkins folder. That's why I given slash. Then it is become e drive. Cd my project cannot find this path. System cannot find this path. But it is I given something my projects are my project. So that's the wrong one. But it is created a data one directory and created a file display echo, and you can see type both lines, copy dir data1, and file is showing finally success. But real time what is happened, yeah, that is a spelling mistake. Instead of projects, I given project. See, this is the data1, this is the file. It is created under e only, not under projects. So actually I want to create under this one only, not under this one. So I done a mistake, my mistake. It is created under E drive. Now what I have to do? I will adjust the mistake. See, here it is. That is important, guys. Failures always important in Jenkins. So then you can learn correctly. Otherwise, you don't learn. So go to configure again. So click on here and go to configure. So you have to change as per our requirement till you got a correct as per your requirement. Build. So click on build. So what is the mistake? Projects. I didn't give in a projects. Actually, I had to give in my cap letters. Okay, now I'm going to save this one. Again, build now. Already one build is completed. Again, build now. Continuous development. See, again, build now. So go to the console output and see here it is now. It changed the directory. Same output, but the folder is created under projects like this. Currently, I don't have any Python is not installed. Tomorrow we'll see installation of Python. Um, Anybody knows Java?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, I'm going to create a small Java file. So how to do with a Java file manually and as well as this one. So tell me now.
First is the import statement.
Not required. We are not importing. It's very simple. Hello Java.
Yes. Okay.
Class,
Println.
class we have to
System
define.
dot out dot println.
Yeah, class defining.
Class. Class. Hello world.
Public class or a normal class is like you can tell class.
It's by default public. So if we
If you don't tell anything, that is by
don't.
default public class. Very good. And we have to tell brackets. We have to give. Now that is public void main. Here it is always confused. After main, what to do? That's why IDEs are better. ARGS. How to give ARGS?
String ARGS.
String. ARGS. String is cap letter or small letter?
Capital.
Yes.
Public static void main.
Publics. Very good. Main string args and any other things you have to add this one args
So void spelling. Void spelling.
void spelling wrong, that's why python is a better one. Only one single statement for that one. System
System dot
dot
out
out
dot println.
dot print
Dot println.
ln anything you can yellow jenkins jenkins anything you can run. Okay, any mistakes?
No sir.
Very good, save.
Yes.
Which one? Hello world. This is the better one. Copy paste. Java. Yeah. W3 schools. Where is my favorite W? Okay. Java T point is also good. Nothing. You need to learn anything. Just copy paste. You'll get it. I didn't. Okay. This is. I really.
Bracket.
Yeah. This should be inside. String like this. You people are cheating me. And another mistake I done
So that ARGS
outside.
square bracket are needed outside.
Outside.
Like after string. Open and close. Yeah, that's it.
Correct, right? Now,
Yeah.
so we'll save it, and yeah, that's why don't. Okay, so here only I'm keeping. So E drive. Otherwise, you can copy into projects like that. Okay, there is a notepad file. So close this one. I and I copying into this one. So just to keep into one folder. Otherwise, no problem. So then CMD. It is already projects, right? So Java C, hello Java, like this. Yeah. Now class file is created. So Java,
Hello world. Java. Hello world.
hello world only, not class.
Yes. Not class.
Yeah. Okay. Working. So I know Java. Okay. Now I don't need this class file, so I'm closing it. How to do? Same thing. This is manually done, right? I want to execute Java file with a Jenkins. So we'll see here. Go to dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to create a new project. Title again demo 2, freestyle project only. Okay, actually we finished Jenkins. It means like I showed the basic thing. This is enough for you. Okay, if I told this one, this is completed. Okay, I want to execute Java project is hello. Yeah, you don't need to give all these things, just for fun you can give. And source code is inside a system only build. um, so git thing is tomorrow, I will tell you that one. So e colon, so my code is in e drive, so I have to go to e and cd slash and cd um, project my projects better my projects. Okay. Because this is Java, that is Windows don't feeling anything, but Java these kind of stuff will having feelings. Okay, so first command is Java C for compiling Java code. Hello world dot Java. Next is Java hello world. That's it. Hmm? The spelling is correct or not? WORLE. Yeah. Okay. Save. Okay. So then build now. So click on build now. This is again it is building. Check the console output. What is going on? We can see. I clicked on it. Yeah. So that is manual. This is automated process. Hello Jenkins. Display successful. Okay. It is successful. Guys, we implemented a code and we build the code, right? What is a continuous? So we'll see the continuous. So this is the last example. I'm going to delete this class file. Okay, edit, and for example, for the development, one code is completed, then we want to stop, right? Like that. You can add a if loop, for loop, like that. You can, if you try. Otherwise, just we don't put more things here, just for understanding only. Once you install a Python is more easy. Okay. Mm, it's a continuous development. Anything. Okay. Yeah. So I implemented next stage. So I develop a code, right? So that is code development is completed. Next one line is executed. Next completed. Now I'm not doing anything here. Very simple. Go back to the project. I add a one line in my code, and here I'm going to build now again. That's it. I'm going to build now again. Okay. I think I pressed 2 times. Go to console output. So that's why be careful. I press 2 times, then it is building 2 times. Now what it is doing? Next one. It means continuous development and continuous integration. Understand, guys, the concept of continuous integration and continuous development. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and we can do manually
Yes, sir.
and we can do automation process. Manually means like manually any we'll do
Automation.
it. In automation we'll get a lot of tools like getting from the GitHub and do other triggers, complete automate entire process. Lot of things are there in Jenkins, but this is a best simple example. So tomorrow we'll try to see all other things also. What happened to my plugins, I don't know. Okay, so this is it. That's it. I found this Java T point is much better, but for starters, go to always W3 schools, guys. People who are not belongs to CSC IT, learn at least Python. If you don't know Java, it's okay, no problem. It's not a big deal, but at least learn Python. Very basics. Start with the basics. Later we can see, because nowadays everything is important. So what plugins is installed or not installed? My Git is installed. CSV not installed. Git is not installed. Failed Gitins plugins. Okay. Okay, no problem. So I will install it. Okay. So I have to restart once this PC, and obviously it will install. So one by one. Otherwise, install one by one. Like this. Select it. Just install. These are all failures on it. This one is installed. Okay. So no problem. So I will. So these are the projects what we built so far. So successful, failure also there. Okay, guys. So currently you have to log out first of all, or shut down. Go to manage Jenkins, shut down, or you can close this window. Automatically it will shut down. Now I will wait. Then I will do it. Okay.